Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the inspiring realm of the spirit animals oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of the Emperor Penguin spirit animal, renowned for cooperation, belonging, and unity. Part 1. Discovering the Emperor Penguin Spirit. In the frigid landscapes of Antarctica, the regal Emperor Penguin, with its majestic appearance and compassionate demeanor, lies the essence of community. In its tight-knit social structure and cooperative behavior, the Emperor Penguin exemplifies the strength and beauty of communal bonds. The spiritual medicine of the Emperor Penguin encourages us to support others in times of need, foster a sense of unity and belonging, and find strength in our collective efforts. Beyond community, the Emperor Penguin epitomizes the value of endurance. In its ability to withstand harsh Antarctic conditions and endure long journeys to find food, the Emperor Penguin becomes a symbol of resilience and perseverance. By embracing the Emperor Penguin's spirit of endurance, we can navigate through difficult times with unwavering determination, find courage in the face of adversity, and inspire others through our resilience. The Emperor Penguin also represents the journey of nurturing. In its devoted care for its young and the cooperative effort to protect them, the Emperor Penguin becomes a guide to the path of nurturing and supporting one another. The spiritual medicine of the Emperor Penguin encourages us to extend nurturing and compassionate gestures to those around us, to create a safe and caring space for growth, and to foster a sense of family and belonging. By embracing the Emperor Penguin's spirit of nurturing, we can uplift others with love and kindness, create a sense of security in our relationships, and experience the fulfillment of giving and receiving support. Let the spiritual medicine of the Emperor Penguin guide us on a transformative journey, inspiring us to support one another with compassion and unity, endure challenges with resilience and determination, create nurturing and loving environments for growth, adapt to life's changes with grace, and find joy in the simple pleasures that bring light to our lives and hearts. By connecting with the essence of the Emperor Penguin, we can create a world where communal bonds are cherished, resilience is celebrated, nurturing is abundant, adaptability is embraced, and joy becomes a guiding force in our collective pursuit of a more compassionate and harmonious existence. Part 2. Qualities of the Emperor Penguin Spirit. The Emperor Penguin is a species known for its adaptability and resilience in the harsh Antarctic environment. They are exceptional swimmers, capable of diving to great depths to hunt for food. Their remarkable sense of parental care is demonstrated through the male's dedication to incubating the egg on his feet for nearly 2 months without eating. The penguin's striking black and white plumage, upright posture, and tight-knit social behaviors add to their regal and dignified aura. As a symbol of strength, devotion to family, and community support, the Emperor Penguin serves as an inspiration to many. Part 3. Cultural and mythological significance of the Emperor Penguin Spirit. The Emperor Penguin holds cultural and mythological significance in various contexts. In some cultures, these majestic creatures symbolize endurance, resilience, and adaptability, inspiring stories of survival and overcoming adversities. In folklore, they are often associated with wisdom, leadership, and a deep connection to the spirit world. For indigenous communities in Antarctica, the Emperor Penguin is a symbol of harmony with nature and a reflection of their way of life, in harmony with the cold and challenging environment. Additionally, in modern popular culture, the Emperor Penguin has become an iconic symbol of love, family, and unity, thanks to movies and documentaries portraying their extraordinary parental care and devotion to their young. Overall, the Emperor Penguin's cultural significance represents a powerful emblem of strength, family values, and the beauty of the natural world. Part 4. An Emperor Penguin in My Dreams. Dreaming of an Emperor Penguin holds a deep and multifaceted significance, drawing parallels between the majestic bird's characteristics and your own life journey. The Emperor Penguin's portrayal of strength and resilience reminds you of your innate ability to withstand challenges and adversities. Just like this remarkable creature, you possess a determined spirit that enables you to march forward even in the face of difficult circumstances. The dream serves as a reminder of your capacity to adapt and thrive in harsh conditions, allowing you to navigate through life's complexities with composure and grace. The emperor penguin's strong sense of community and teamwork further augments the dream's meaning. These penguins rely on one another for survival, huddling together to create warmth and support in their icy habitat. In your own life, this dream could symbolize a call to embrace unity and cooperation with others. It suggests that finding support from your social circle or community is essential to overcome challenges and achieve your goals. Just as the penguins rely on each other to face the unforgiving Antarctic climate, you too can benefit from seeking help and guidance from your loved ones. Moreover, the appearance of an emperor penguin in your dream may also point to a need to explore your emotional depths. Penguins are closely associated with water, which represents emotions in dreams. This could indicate a time of self-reflection and introspection, encouraging you to explore your feelings and innermost desires. It might be a cue to listen to your heart and understand your emotional needs, enabling you to nurture your own well-being and maintain a healthy balance in your life. Overall, the dream of an emperor penguin inspires you to tap into your inner strength, embrace the support of your community, and adapt to life's changes with confidence and grace. It highlights the importance of resilience, unity, and emotional exploration, inviting you to discover the depths of your potential and rise above any obstacles that come your way. Part 5. Habitat, Behaviors, and Ecological Importance of the Emperor Penguin. Habitat. The emperor penguin inhabits the frozen and harsh environment of Antarctica, specifically residing on the coastal ice shelves and pack ice of the continent. They prefer to nest in large colonies on the thick ice, providing protection and a stable environment for their young. During the breeding season, which occurs during the frigid Antarctic winter, the penguins endure extreme cold, with temperatures reaching as low as 40 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The vast and icy landscape offers abundant food sources, primarily consisting of fish, squid, and krill, which thrive in the nutrient-rich waters of the Southern Ocean. The unique habitat of the emperor penguin poses both challenges and opportunities, and these remarkable birds have adapted remarkably to survive and thrive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Behaviors. Breeding rituals. Emperor penguins exhibit elaborate courtship rituals during the breeding season. They form tight-knit colonies where they engage in synchronized displays of head bobbing, calling, and flapping their wings to attract mates and strengthen pair bonds. Incubating eggs. After the female lays a single egg, the male takes on the responsibility of incubating it. He delicately balances the egg on his feet and covers it with a brood pouch, keeping it warm and protected from the harsh Antarctic elements for about 2 months. Communal huddling. Emperor penguins are known for their remarkable adaptation to surviving extreme cold. They form large huddles with thousands of individuals coming together, taking turns to occupy the warmest central positions, shielded from the icy winds. Long-distance swimming. Emperor penguins are exceptional swimmers and divers. They can travel long distances underwater, sometimes reaching depths of over 500 meters, 1,640 feet, in search of food, such as fish, squid, and krill. Parental care. Once the chicks hatch, both parents take turns caring for them, providing warmth, protection, and regurgitated food. The chicks stay in the colony, forming creches, while their parents go on long foraging trips to bring back sustenance. Ecological importance. Emperor penguins play a crucial role in the Antarctic ecosystem, contributing to its ecological balance in various ways. As top predators, they help control the populations of their prey, such as fish, squid, and krill, preventing potential imbalances in the food chain. Additionally, their large colonies and huddling behavior create warmer microclimates that benefit other organisms in their vicinity. Moreover, their extensive foraging trips as they search for food can redistribute nutrients across vast distances in the ocean, positively impacting marine ecosystems. As indicators of the overall health of the Antarctic environment, studying the population and behaviors of emperor penguins provides valuable insights into the impacts of climate change and environmental disturbances on this sensitive region. Part 6. How the emperor penguin contributes to scientific research. Physiologically, the emperor penguin possess unique adaptations to endure extreme cold and prolonged fasting periods. During breeding have piqued researchers' interests. Studies on their exceptional diving abilities, which allow them to stay submerged for over 20 minutes and reach depths of over 500 meters, have expanded our knowledge of avian respiratory and cardiovascular systems. Through satellite imaging and tracking technologies, researchers are also unraveling the mysteries of their migration and foraging behaviors. Overall, the emperor penguin serves as a living testament to nature's resilience and adaptability, providing invaluable data for both biological and environmental research. Part 7. Guided visualization to connect with the emperor penguin spirit. Find a comfortable and quiet space where you can relax without distractions. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and allow yourself to enter a state of calmness. Imagine yourself standing on the edge of a vast, frozen landscape, surrounded by towering icebergs and a shimmering sea of ice. The air is crisp and invigorating, and the soft glow of the sun creates a magical aura around you. As you stand there, a majestic figure emerges from the distance. It is an emperor penguin, gracefully waddling towards you with confidence and purpose. The penguin's striking black and white plumage glistens in the sunlight, and its regal demeanor exudes strength and resilience. The emperor penguin comes closer, and you can feel its warm presence radiating positive energy. It stops before you, looking into your eyes with a sense of understanding and wisdom. You sense a deep connection forming as if you have known this magnificent creature for a lifetime. With gentle curiosity, the emperor penguin invites you to follow it. You begin to walk side by side, feeling the soft crunch of snow beneath your feet. As you walk together, you notice the penguin's strong sense of community, how it moves in harmony with its fellow penguins, relying on their support for survival in this harsh environment. The emperor penguin then leads you to a gathering of other penguins. They huddle together, creating a circle of warmth and protection. You are welcomed into this circle, and you feel the sense of unity and belonging that flows through every being present. At this moment, you realize that just like the emperor penguins, you too are part of a larger community of support, love, and understanding. You are reminded of the strength and resilience within you, as well as the power of coming together with others to overcome challenges. Take a moment to reflect on the qualities of the emperor penguin that resonate with you. Embrace the sense of unity and teamwork, and allow yourself to tap into your own inner strength and resilience. As you stand in this circle of penguins, you feel a sense of gratitude for the guidance and wisdom they have shared with you. Know that you can return to this sacred space anytime you need support, encouragement, and a reminder of your own strength. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a few deep breaths and gently open your eyes. Carry the spirit of the emperor penguin with you, knowing that you have connected with a profound source of inspiration and inner power. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.